Hello! Today guys I'm going to show you how to clean your washing machine filter. Hi guys, welcome to another exciting edition of Moggys Life Hacks. Today we're going to show you how to clean out your washing machine filter. Right, so you might not have a couple of screwdrivers to hand, so a couple of butter knives will do. So the reason I showed them butter knives, they're not too sharp, so you just want to don't cut yourself. Down at the bottom of your washing machine, you'll either have a wee panel like this, or you'll have a wee door at the bottom. Either way, you can either push the door or leave it open, or if you've got a panel like this, you can put your screwdrivers or butter knives in there and easily remove that panel. It just clips on and off. There's a little knob in here if you have a wee look, and you just unscrew that to get access. But before you do that, just pop down an old towel from your washing basket, because there's going to be some water's going to come out here from your last wash. So you give that a wee unscrew, some water will come out. Okay, now this is your filter here, and that just catches any large objects like keys or coins or anything that you don't want in your washing machine. This is nice and clean because I do it every now and again. Just make it part of your regular maintenance. If you've not seen my washing machine cleaning video, have a look. There's a link for that in this description here, link to this, and just give this a wee clean here. I've got some tea tree, so just a little bit of tea tree oil and a little bit of soda crystals, an old toothbrush. Give your filter a wee clean out like that. Last time there was sweetie packets and there was a lollipop stick in there as well. I'll put a photograph in this video of that. Okay, so that's it nice and clean. Have a wee look inside the cavity in there and just make sure that when you do that, that there's no objects lying in here. Okay, and you can give that a wee clean with a cloth or with your toothbrush if you like. Alright, and then you just screw the filter back in, like so. That's it. Take your towel away, pop the fascia panel back on, and it's as easy as that, folks. So just keep coming back to Moggys Life Hacks for the easy tips. They're always just as exciting as cleaning out your washing machine filter. If you please subscribe to keep those great tips coming. It's dead easy, just click the little subscribe button down the bottom there and hit the bell so that you get updates every now and again. And I'm going to put a link to the washing machine cleaning video just here. So click on that if you want to look at that. Okay folks, see you next time on Moggys Life Hacks.